What's going on, everybody? I am about to do a small haul. Small haul with Cameron Logan. Y'all ready? Let's get into it. All right. Item number one. Don't mind me. I'm in my office. It's under construction, so I'm like backed in the corner here. But let's go. All right. Went to the mall the other day, and I got my wife some Givenchy perfume, a perfume set that smelled really good to me, and I thought it would smell good on her. So I'll show you that later. Also, I wanted to see what this new, what are they calling this blue? I forget what they call this blue. Let's see if it's on the back. Mint leaf blue. This Essentials mint leaf blue. Let's go ahead and take it out of the package. My hands are extremely ashy, but don't worry about that. Stay focused. All right, here it is. Here it is. Y'all see that? Mint leaf. I got a small in this because this joint looks huge, if we gonna be honest. And sometimes with this, like this, when you size down, around the neck part be real tight. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I don't have a big head. TV timeout! TV timeout! But I like this. Almost got the sweats, but we'll see how this goes first, and then I'll decide if I want to be mint blued out or mint leafed out like I was with the full coral set. This is my like workhorse essentials that I have on right now. Los Angeles version. All right, here's that. Let's moving on. Let's move along. Nice little detail in the back too. Essentials. If you can see that. Oh no, this part says Fear of God, and then this part says Essentials Fear of God. And then you got the Fear of God tag here, and then small. So this will be nice and chill, you know. Now this I've been waiting on this since December 25th. These are special. Y'all know I was a big fan of the Fear of God ones, the Nike Fear of God. So let's open up this package. Okay, they did a lot. They did a lot here. Okay, oh, wow. Ha. Here it is. Here it is. Fear of God Athletics basketball. This box is like very sandy. It kind of goes along with the vibes of how they shot the promo for this. It was like deserty with water and 3 Stonehenge type mountains. But yeah, this kind of how it looks. I guess to get in the box, one thing Jerry gonna do is give you a big box. To get in the box, then you open the flap on the sides, and it's wrapped in more things. What? And then there's another layer on top. Embossed. Okay. Yeah, this is dope. The attention to detail. I don't know if y'all can see that. Adidas. And then you have the 3 stripes that are 3D. And then we open her like this. Shoe paper. Adidas Fear of God. Embossed everywhere. Each shoe is wrapped like so. Adidas Fear of God. There's nothing else in the box. So let's go ahead. Open. All right, you pull the shoe out. Wrapped in some more shoe paper. And here we go. You smell great. Wow. The Christmas edition Adidas basketball Fear God. Y'all, and it's crazy because I got on the site around 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, and I was shocked that these were still available. But boy, oh boy, do these look good. It's got like a, so you listen to that. The upper is like waterproof, right? Yeah, it's like a TPU infused material with like neoprene around the anklet. You got a drawstring, elastic drawstring. Of course, I didn't expect him to do anything besides these thick rope laces. Shoe is just beautiful. Adidas Fear of God. The soles. All right, let's grab the other. On this shoe has the traditional Adidas tag. If you've ever purchased any Adidas, it says Adidas basketball. US men's 9.5, US women's 10.5, 275, UK 9. Yeah, these are insane. These are crazy. You know, these are more of a off-white. Like on the website, they look like they were like bright, crisp white, but they're actually more of an off-white. These are tough. So appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Another unboxing video. I will check back in with you guys next time. Grace and peace. See y'all later.